Have you been looking for a home with lots of charm with modern updates? I'm Brandi Sorensen with the Alisha Collins real estate team, and I'm sitting in the historic Big Tree area at 1747 South Walnut, and I've got this great home to show you. When you walk in, you're greeted by this gorgeous fireplace, this open living area. Then you can go right into the kitchen. This kitchen has custom cabinetry, granite countertops, a little bar area, and a breakfast nook. If formal dining is your thing, there is a formal dining room right off the kitchen that connects to the living room. Down the hall, you have your iconic storage, as well as the 2 bedrooms and a beautiful bathroom. Walking down the beautiful hardwood stairs brings you to the basement, where you've got a laundry room complete with folding table, a 3/4 bath, and 2 bedrooms. Through this door is a large room. It's being used as a non-conforming bedroom right now because who wouldn't want to be in front of this fireplace? Out here on this back patio is this enclosed sunroom. In the yard, it's beautifully landscaped, including flowers and berries. Let's go check out the garage. In the back of the garage is space for a work area or hobby room. One more thing on this gorgeous home, there is a chicken coop and a raised garden bed. I'm Brandi Sorensen with the Alisha Collins real estate team. Give me a call or text me today to see this home. Remember, I want you to love where you live.